How to use Autofill Chrome extension. So if you want to use your Autofill Chrome extension, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser. And once you open up your Chrome browser, you just need simply go with search and search for Web Store. Once you search for it, it will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Click on the first option, which will take you to the website. And under your extension, you just need simply search for Autofill. Once you've searched, you will have all of the extensions. So you just need to simply select the extension that you would like to add and then go with Add to Chrome, which is on the right side. And then click on Add Extension. Once you added the extension, you need to go with the top right, which has Add Extensions option, and then make sure to pin the extension. Now, if you go with a new tab, and for example, if you go with facebook.com, this will take you to the login page, right? So for example, if I go with create new account, and if you enter your name, your date of birth, your gender, your mobile number, email address, and your password. And after that, you just need to simply go with the extension, which is on the top right. And once you click on the extension here, you will have this kind of interface, right? So you just need to simply go with the profile and then go with all and then generate the rules. So first fill out the form and then choose a profile, enter the profile name. I'll just enter the name, go with OK, and then generate autofill rules. Now once it's done, what you need to do is just simply go with your facebook.com again. Now if you go with create new account, then it will automatically generate or it will automatically autofill your form. So that's how you can use autofill Chrome extension, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.